Hello guys, watch and see how I do my electrical installation and see the outcome. That's my changeover that I'm going to use for this installation. That's on this changeover, and that is my 1 a.m. and that I'm using for lighting point 1 a.m. Then that is my 2.5 for socket outlet, and that is my 2.5 and for big load. So that is my bulb 10 watts. That's my bulb 10 watt, and that is my POP spotlight that I'm using. That's my POP spotlight. Okay, and that is my fishing tape, my meter board, and my lamp holder. So we have a lot of things that we are using for this installation. This is me installing the socket. Just watch and see the outcome of everything.